Hello, friends. This topic is taken from economy. The title of this video is What is Investment Strike? First, we discuss what is democracy. Democracy is a set of binding electoral institutions that effectively translate popular views into the public policy. Democracy is premised on the idea of political equality. That means everyone has only one vote to cast, irrespective of their social, political, and economic status. Capitalism is not about the equality, political or economic. Capitalism is fundamentally about the economic freedom. Economic freedom means freedom to buy and sell, freedom to invest and make profit, freedom to invent, freedom to reap the rewards of one's work, capacity, or luck. It does not matter whether one is rich or poor. By giving the right to vote to the subaltern or common man, democracy inevitably tend to put restrictions on economic freedom. As I say in the definition of democracy, government has to pursue the public policy to reflect popular views. So, it affects the economic freedom. When that economic freedom is affected excessively, it tends to have effect on return on investment. The return on investment may be low or sometimes non-existent. In such situation, the capital is simply denied to make the investment and often punishes the democracy. The term investment strike or capital strike best expresses the above phenomena. Capital strike or investment strike may arise from the belief that by withholding investment, certain political or economic changes may be achieved, or from a combination of two. To conclude, faced with the government going supposedly too far in the direction of poor, the capitalist can simply refuse to invest. Thank you for watching my video.